Random facts. If you ever try to hold in a sneeze, your body will find a way to betray you by making you hiccup instead. Your brain is literally buzzing, creating enough electricity to power a 10-watt light bulb. If you tilt your head backward and stick your tongue out while watching TikTok, you might just find a secret video every Wednesday. The world's longest hiccup record lasted an unbearable 68 years. That's a lot of shoulder jerking. If you blink 20 times fast while watching a cat video, you just might end up on a feline-loving island. Human beings can't breathe and swallow at the same time, so avoid trying this in public. It's just awkward. If you ever find yourself seeing your own shadow in a mirror, it's rumored that you can time travel for a split second. People who multitask while walking tend to walk in zigzags. If you comment laughter on this short, you'll immediately increase your daily giggle quota by 20%. Babies don't shed tears until they're about 3 months old, but they sure make the same amount of noise. If you eat a banana upside down, it's believed you can hear the echoes of an ancient jungle. And get this, if you spin on one foot and hold your left nostril, you might just get a special TikTok sticker in the app. Follow for more.